Jisoncase Genuine Leather for iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Jisoncase Genuine Leather for iPhone 10. The company sent this out for me to review. It comes in a variety of colors. The link is in the description below, and you can pick this case up for $22. So let's take a look. The case came in this brown box, and it was wrapped nicely in this plastic. This is a genuine leather case. It has this paper insert with the company logo. Feels really smooth and nice. The back has a Jisoncase branding and it blends in well. The side buttons are metallic. The bottom is one open cutout. And here's the other side, also metallic buttons. Inside is a soft microfiber lining and it lines the entire back. The leather covers the interior part of the buttons so the metallic part won't damage or scratch the phone. And here's the top view. Let's see how it fits on the phone. It's pretty easy to install. The top portion does require a little bit of a push. Now here's the side view. The bottom. The other side. And the top. The rear camera has protection. There is a slight raise, but it's not as deep as other cases. The bevel is also raised, so it will protect the face of the phone. I do recommend getting a glass screen protector as it adds an extra layer. The case feels good in the hands and does not add any bulk. The buttons are responsive and it's easy to press. The Jisoncase Genuine Leather. This is a very sleek, professional, and elegant case for the iPhone 10. They also make it for the other models. The case is light and it preserves the look of your phone without adding any extra bulk. For the price, it's a good deal compared to some other leather cases that are twice the cost. So if you're looking to dress up your phone, check this case out. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.